Okay, students, after completing chapter number 3 goodwill, we are proceeding with accounts only, that is chapter number 4, and the heading is like this way: reconstruction of partnership. Compared to chapter number 3, students, this is the one of the very easiest chapter, and especially I have made it very easy to this one. Now what does this mean, reconstruction? Reconstruction means what? You are all aware about the word reconstruction. Reconstruction means what? To construct it again. But what? That is partnership. Now how partnership will be constructed? With the change in their ratio. Change in what? Their ratio. Now which ratio? That is their profit and loss sharing ratio. Whenever, let us take the example, there are three partners, namely A, B, C. Their ratio was 1:1:1, and their new ratio is 3:2:1. So the change in ratio is considered as what? Reconstruction of partnership. So I hope you are clear with the meaning of the word reconstruction, that is changes. Where changes is there? Changes in the profit and loss sharing ratio. Now students, whenever there is a change in profit and loss sharing ratio, there will be some partner who will be having gain, and there will be one partner or some partners who will be having sacrifice. That means one might be sacrificing, another might be gaining. So in this particular chapter, we are going to learn that heading. Today, I am simply going to discuss one small thing, that is sacrificing ratio. Now, there is no need to follow the way textbook is following, right? Sure. Here we are our own manner. Let us take the example. There are three partners, namely A, B, and C. Old ratio of them. OR stands for what? Old ratio. Old ratio of them is, let us take the example, 3:2:1, and they decided to change the profit and loss ratio. That is, new ratio is what? 5:3:2. What is their old ratio? 3:2:1. So total comes to what? 6. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, it becomes what? 10. Now in textbook, they will be saying what? Find sacrifice ratio. There are three headings in this particular chapter. One is sacrifice ratio, other is gain ratio. But for today, we are going to discuss only what? Sacrificing ratio. So I am writing here for your convenience, sacrifice ratio. The formula is very simple. Sacrifice ratio is equals to what? Old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, it's very easy. Sacrificing ratio is equals to what? Old ratio minus new ratio. Now let us take the example of A. Old ratio is what? 3, and the total is what? 6. So it will be what? 3/6 minus 5/10. Yes or no? Is it clear? 3/6 minus 5/10. Simply what you need to do, cross multiply. 10 3s are 30 and 6 5s are what? 30 upon 60. So that gives me what? 0 upon 60. That is nothing but what? 0. Is it clear? This is of A. Now moving on to B. For B, what is the old ratio? 2. So it comes to what? 2/6 minus 3/10. So again what we need to do? Cross multiply. 10 2s are 20. 6 3s are 80 upon 60. So that gives me what? 2 upon 60. Is it clear? Moving on to C. Now students, tell me what will be the old ratio of C? That will be what? 1/6 minus 2/10. Okay, as easy as that. Cross multiply. 10 1s are 10, 6 2s are 12 upon 60. So that comes to what? Minus 2 upon 60. Is it clear? Those answers or those particular answers which is getting in positive is sacrificing. So here you can say that partner B is sacrificing. Is it clear? Because its answer is in what? Positive. Now one hint I would like to give you here, students. If you make the total of numerator, once again please listen it carefully. If you make the total of numerator, it will be 0. Example. Can you please zoom in a little bit, focus here. See, the answer of this one, numerator is what? 0. 0 plus 2, that gives me what? 2. And 2 minus 2, that gives me what? 0. So if your answer, that is if you add all the three numerators, if you are getting answer 0, then you are right, otherwise you are somewhere wrong. What you need to do, students, homework, just look at illustration number 1 and 2. Try to make a solution of illustration 1 and 2 without looking at the solution. Just simply try it out. Okay, the simple way, once again I am revising, old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio is what? 3 by 6 minus 5 by 10. You need to cross multiply. 10 3s are 30, 6 5s are 30, so that comes to 0. For the second case also same way, cross multiply. Is it clear? All the best. If you have doubt, please do call me. Okay.